about confidence. So first of all, let me know who wants to come here on the stage. Who is having confidence for coming on the stage?
So hello everyone, how are you all? That's great. So hello, I'm not standing by Vilas to make us amazing as well as those who are having tougher personality, and I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir, to having me this golden opportunity to speak here in front of you all. So today the topic is the power of confidence. So I'm going to tell about the power of confidence. So first is the best example of this. I'm standing here. By which? With my confidence. When I asked who will come, I said I will come. This was my confidence. Since our childhood and till our last breath, it's very important to be a confident person in our life. You know why? Because if we always listen these lines कि झूठ भी बोलो ना तो ऐसे बोलो किसी को सच लगे, तो उस समय क्या जरूरत होती है? Confidence means we need confidence for telling a lie also. If we tell a lie with a confidence, सामने वाला बंदा उसको हम कंफ्यूज कर देंगे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, भाई वो कंफ्यूज है, भाई हमने सच बोला झूठ बोला. This is the power of confidence. And we all know, like if you want to be something in our life, we want to do anything, like a little things also if you want to do na. If you want to go, like take a small example, only a small example. We are going in one shop and asking for thing. हमारे पास कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होगा, उस समय क्या होगा? Just stop it. हमारे पास we don't have confidence. So what we think? We like कहते हैं ना कि अगर हमारे पास कॉन्फिडेंट है तो हमारा हार भी हमसे हार जाता है, और हमारे पास अगर कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है ना तो हमारे धड़कने भी हमारे साथ नहीं होते, धड़कने लग जाते हैं. भाई तू तो खुद का साथ नहीं दे रहा, मैं किसका साथ दूं? वो भी तेज से धड़कने लग जाता है. They start to fearing a lot. Fear कैसे बाहर आएगा? If we develop our confidence. If you go any shop, we ask for anything what we want to buy. उसके लिए भी confidence चाहिए. कि like if that for that thing we also need confidence. That with confidently we can go with any person, we can say that yeah we need these all things, we can say that. And if we are going any other country, so weak confident person can go no, वो तो पहले ही घबरा जाएगा भाई. दिल्ली से बाहर क्या हो तो मार्केट तक नहीं निकलते. They don't even go to the market because they think like in street who will meet, my friend will meet, so what they will say to me, like she stall a lot. मेरे पास तो कुछ जवाब ही नहीं होगा. But if we have confidence, so we have answer of anyone. And I think our knowledge make a person confident. You know why? Because if we have knowledge, तो हमारे पास कॉन्फिडेंट आ जाता है बोलने के लिए. बट इफ यू डोंट हैव नॉलेज, तो उस समय क्या होता है? अगर नॉलेज नहीं है तब भी अगर हम कुछ बोल रहे हो, पता क्या होता है? ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस. जो कि नहीं आ रहा तब भी बीच में बोला जाता है. इट्स नॉट गुड. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस इज नॉट गुड फॉर एनीवन, बिकॉज वो हमें नीचा भी गिरा सकता है. बट अ कॉन्फिडेंट, अ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट रिश्तों में यकीन हो तो साल भर चलते हैं. रिश्तों में यकीन हो तो साल भर चलते हैं, और यकीन ना हो तो एक महीने बाद ही टूट जाते हैं. इट्स मीन दैट सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस मेक अ पर्सन बॉन्डिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग.
My name is Sarvar. So fantabulous my first task is Suraj sir that tasked me the power of confidence. Am I right, sir? The confidence. What is the confidence? How can it helps you? How can it means make a perfect person in the whole world? So many people, so many success people, so many means the most richest people, most means successful person in the whole world. Why they are called be successful? Why they are called in interviews? Why the people are getting job in the why the people are getting job in the companies? Why the people are doing so? Why the people are getting successful in their life? Why? Because there is one factor. There is one factor, and that factor is making their mind confident, making their mind powerful, bringing the potential in their mind, bringing the power in their mind. Only that one factor. Just because of that factor, people are doing so many things in their life, and that factor can change your life. That factors can make your life. That factor can help to achieve your goal. But don't forget, every coin is having two faces as well. That factor can break your life also. So that factor is confidence. That factor is a confidence. Confidence can make your life. You know what is confidence? It is the power of your mind. When your mind says to you, I can do it. When your mind says to you, it is my work. When your mind says to you, I can do it definitely. That is your confidence. That is the power of mind. That is your mindset. That is your thoughts, and that all brings the confidence level in your mind. Why you know what is the confidence actually? What is the confidence actually? The people who are going to getting the job. Yeah, that means the interviewers are taking interview of person. He's speaking fluently. He's speaking confidently. He's answering the questions in the speed. Why do people are being called in the interviews? Why do people called in the podcast? They are sitting and giving the answer by being confident. They're not having the fear of camera. Am I right? They're not having the confidence. They're not having fear of camera. They're not having a fear of the crowd. You know, for breaking the confidence, only one factor is necessary.
So many people are fighting shy of camera.
So many people are fighting shy of cameras. So many people are fighting shy of crowd. So many people are fighting shy of so many things. And that one factor can break your confidence. And when your for making your confidence, it takes too much of time. I also take too much of time. The beginners of the Tyro people in English, in business, in so many fields are taking the time for making their confidence into next level. But for breaking it, we need only 1 minute. So we have to take it. We have to balance it. You know, the power of confidence what is the power of confidence? You know what is the power of confidence? You know the power of confidence is you can survive in any situation. You can do anything in any situation. You know the difference between a confident person and difference between a normal person. You know, a normal person a normal person is standing in front of the hooligans, the gangsters, the thugs in front of you. You know what he will do? He'll say like, so sorry, just give me that all things. Then he will cry. He will not do anything. He will say, now I have been caught by the gangster and thugs. Now I can't do anything. What a confident person will do. He is showing another face into the thugs, and means in his mind another thoughts are going on. वो कुछ और दिखाएगा और चलाएगा माइंड में कुछ और. He is thinking another thing. How can I get rid of this all people? How can I find the ways? How can I do that all thing? वो बाहर उसकी शक्ल डरी हुई दिखाई देगी. उसका माइंड डरा नहीं होगा. His mind not get fear from the people, from the situation, from the problem, from the circumstance, from anything. The mind of a confident person will not get afraid from anything, any situation. You know, that's why people become successful in their life. Suppose a person is there who is having the fear of camera, who is having fear of media, who is having the fear of crowd, who is having fear of everything. He is standing in front of an interview, job. That means the interviewers are asking job from them, like this, give me the answer of this question, and he's muttering. He's muttering. Like he's murmuring. You know. He's stammering, you know, like he's speaking like stammering. His mind is confused. His mind is not his mind is confident. He will not get job. A person who want to become an English speaker, उसको पहले कैमरे के सामने आना पड़ेगा and अपनी speech देनी पड़ेगी. If he will not come to camera and getting the shy and getting the fear, he can't become successful. The main role in your life is the confidence. You know, so many people are there in my class also, in the world also. They are saying that we get the confidence by the knowledge. We get the confidence by the knowledge. You know, for getting knowledge, we also need the confidence. For doing everything, we need the confidence. You know, for getting knowledge also we need the confidence. You know, जब एक बच्चा क्लास में आके बैठ के पढ़ता है तो हाथ क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए भी confidence चाहिए होता है. He need the confidence for raising hand. He need the confidence for asking questions from the sir. He need the confidence for asking questions. He need the confidence for raising his question in front of so many people. He need the confidence. You need the confidence. For getting knowledge, you need the confidence. For doing work, you know, if a dancer is there, उसके पास डांस की नॉलेज है, उसके पास कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं, वो सोच रहा है लाइक ही इज थिंकिंग इफ आई विल गो टू स्टेज एंड लाइक डांस करूंगा मैं, सारे देख के मेरे को हंसेंगे, मेरे को टमाटर फेंकेंगे. ही इज द इमेजिन व्हाट इज द फियर, what is the fear? The imagination of your mind of your future. It is the fear. And what is the confidence? Thinking positive of your future. Fear हमेशा आपको आपके फ्यूचर के बारे में गलत सोच रखा है, होगा भी नहीं, आप वो सोचोगे. That will not happen in your life, but you will think. You are a good dancer of course, but once you will think, अगर मैं गया, मेरे से कोई गलत स्टेप हो गया, मेरे टमाटर फटे, तो मेरे को बहुत नुकसान हो जाएगा. But the confidence person, I will break the leg today. I have practiced so many times. I revise the shots so many times. I will break the leg, and you know all the people means throw that means roses, throw that means and everything on me. The confident person think this thing. The confident person think this thing in his mind. The power of confidence. हमको सीखने के लिए कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए, बोलने के लिए भी कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए. And everything, you know, why the people are doing suicides? मैं पूछ समझता हूँ why the small children are doing the suicide? You know why? Because they are not having confidence. They are not having confidence to talk to their parents of their life. उनके पास कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता. They are means fearing. They are afraid from their parents. अगर मैं ये बोलूंगा मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे को मारेंगे तो नहीं, मैं ये बोलूंगा मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे गुस्सा तो नहीं हो जाएंगे, मैं ये बोलूंगा तो मेरे पेरेंट्स मींस मेरे को छोड़ तो नहीं देंगे. It is the only one thing. The lack of confidence can take your life. The lack of confidence can means force you to commit a suicide. The lack of confidence can do anything. So many children are there. So many students are there. They commit a suicide. Why? Just because of lack of confidence. So at the last, you know, the thing which can take your life, if you're not having that thing, so now you can imagine, you all can imagine the power of it. If you don't have it, it can take your life. If you are having it, it can make your life. And it is, you are having much more, you are having too much of confidence, it can also break your career, break your life. That's it.
सर हम भी है सर हम पूछना है.
What do you think about this? What I'm gonna say, like, knowledge make a person confident or not? Give answer. Yes.
I said in my topic, it is not a matter. I said the person needs confidence for taking knowledge also. The person need confidence for utilizing this knowledge also. In every situation you need the confidence. Suppose a person is having knowledge, and I said, you know, the matter of knowledge and confidence is only means थोड़ा मीटअप करता है, थोड़ा जुड़ता है, but not everything. अगर तुम्हारे पास confidence means अगर if it is there, you know it is there. So everyone means going into home and getting the knowledge of IIT के बारे में, computers के बारे में. कोई बाहर इंटरव्यू
अच्छा knowledge
कोई बाहर means you know a person want to speaker, a public speaker. वो यहाँ के बोलेगा नहीं, वो घर पर नॉलेज इकट्ठा करेगा. पहले मेरे को नॉलेज इकट्ठा करनी है, पहले मेरे को नॉलेज, you know, in everything confidence matters. You know, suppose you are
only one answer, yes or
no,
like a knowledge.
No.
As he said one thing, like who child do the suicide कि उसके पास confident होता है their lives. अब उस लाइफ के बारे में उसको बात करने का confident नहीं होता, इसलिए वो सुसाइड करता है. Okay, you said this. I said अगर उसके पास उसके लाइफ के बारे में ये उसके पता ही नहीं होगा, आगे चल को नॉलेज ही नहीं होगा उसके बारे में कि मेरी लाइफ में मैंने ये किया, ये गलत था. अब मैं पापा मम्मी को बताने के लिए भी ना हमारे पास नॉलेज होनी चाहिए कि हाँ मम्मी ये गलत है. स्मॉल थिंग्स से बोल रहा हूँ ना, स्मॉल थिंग्स आल्सो. अगर हमारे पास नॉलेज होता है ना तो वो हम कॉन्फिडेंट बनाता. आपने ये चीज ठीक बोला कि आप कॉन्फिडेंट चाहिए, हमें क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए भी कॉन्फिडेंट चाहिए, ये ठीक है. बट व्हाट यू आर सेइंग ना, knowledge don't make up, like I said knowledge make a person confident, you said no. It's wrong, totally wrong, and you are in illusion. What you said थोड़ा मिलता है.
You know what you said.
Listen,
what you said in previous.
थोड़ा मिलता है, थोड़ा नहीं मिलता, ये पूरा मिलता है. Because knowledge if we have like कोई चीज बोलने के लिए ना, like if you wanna be something in our life, we wanna कि नहीं मैं केविन क्रू बनना चाहती हूँ। अब केविन क्रू के बारे में हमें नॉलेज नहीं है, बस मैं बोल रही हूँ अभी केविन क्रू बनना है। पेरेंट्स प्रूफ कर नहीं पा रही पेरेंट्स को कि भाई मैं कैसे कॉन्फिडेंट है, बस लड़ रही हूँ मैं, मेरे को करना है। नॉलेज नहीं है पेरेंट्स को प्रूफ करने के लिए।
You know, sir, that all things will work. That all things you say.
Sir, listen to me. Parents ने बोला डॉक्टर बनना है। Parents said you, I will make you a doctor. And I said I will be a parent. Stand के बारे में knowledge नहीं है parents के पास confidence है। We are saying to our parents that I will. नहीं parents के पास confidence है जाके बिल्कुल चिल्ला रहे। नहीं I will be a doctor. I will be a doctor. What is this? नहीं knowledge नहीं है। Proof करने के लिए knowledge होना चाहिए ना parents को। Yeah, I can be a cabin crew. So proven should be there for this. For proving this thing, we need a knowledge. And a knowledge makes
That all
possible.
things she was saying about the knowledge, about the pattern, about the means, everything she was saying. And I want to answer you that all things. You know, a person, you know, like a person who knows about everything. You know, a person who knows about cabin crew, who knows about, you know, who knows about acting, who knows about, you know, ऐसा तो ना मैं किसी को acting की language, you know, like no, someone knows about acting, someone knows about singing, someone knows about cabin crew, someone don't know about the dancer, you know, the lack of confidence. You know, that matter is different. कि तुमने parents से बोला, parents तुम्हें मना कर दिया, in that side confidence doesn't matter. Matter ये करता तुमने उनसे बोला तो सही. That is the that is the confidence.
That is not
you know that's just shut up and speak now. I didn't interrupt you while you're speaking.
Very well, okay?
Okay, I interrupted you. Just shut up. You know, no matter what, you are going to your parents and saying, I want to become that thing. I want to become that thing. That is confidence. अब उसके बाद तुम उनको प्रूव कर पाते हो नहीं पर बात कर पाते हो अपनी नॉलेज के द्वारा. That is your time. That is your thing. अब अपने पेरेंट्स कोऑपरेट कर पाते हो नहीं अपने मींस समझ मान लो सर you're not having knowledge. पैदा तो नहीं होता नॉलेज लेके बनानी पड़ती है उसे नॉलेज. मान लो तुम छोटी क्लास में हो सर है ना बनानी पड़ती you want to means you have small class in 6th and 7th class. You are saying I want to take the arts. My father means suppose my father is saying to me that take the science and become an engineer, and I want to take the art and I want to take the arts. I want to become a cabin crew. I means I want to go in cabin crew. है ना? Suppose लेते arts नहीं तो पता नहीं मेरे को. And you want to go in a cabin crew. You are 10. You have passed the 10. You have passed the 10. है ना? तुम्हें कुछ भी बनना है. You have passed the 10. आपके 10th पास करने के बाद आपके पास कोई नॉलेज है cabin crew की. आप सीखोगे क्या करोगे? You will learn. You will get the knowledge. ये बात कौन बोलेगा पहले cabin crew बनना है? Confidence. You will say this thing. You will say this thing to the parents. So children are there. They are means lack of confidence. They are not saying to their parents वो ये बनना है पापा. पापा जो बोलते मैं कर लूंगा. पापा जो कह रहा मैं कर लूंगा. पापा जो बोल रहे मैं कर लूंगा. मम्मी जो बोल रही है मैं कर लूंगा. बुआ जो बोल रही है मैं कर लूंगा. When you will say your talks. When you will say when you will put your imagination. चलो तुमने कैसा knowledge ले भी ली. तुमने knowledge ना for getting knowledge. For means getting knowledge. For getting knowledge, it takes too much of time. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. तुम कह रहे हो तुमने 10th पास करी है बेबी. तुम्हें ट्रिग्नोमेट्री ढंग से नहीं आती है और तुम कहना से कह रहे हो cabin crew बनना है. मानो तो बस मैं cabin crew बनना है. You are sir. Your parents, your parents in 11 means say, do you know how to dance? थोड़ा तो आता है. How to sing? कौन सी स्ट्रीम ले रखी है? कॉमर्स ले रखी है उन्होंने ना. वो फर्स्ट ईयर में क्या उनके पास नॉलेज नहीं होगी? दुनिया भर की नॉलेज पड़ेगी. कॉलेज वाले इंसान के पास बहुत सारी नॉलेज होती है. बट व्हाई शी कांट कम एंड स्पीक फ्रंट ऑफ हिम?